Take a moment to check out the 2016 Toyota Tundra. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle delivers the best of sporty styling and modern efficiency. Confidence comes standard thanks to driver-focused design, state-of-the-art safety features, and a premium feel. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, backup camera, fog lamps, satellite radio, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, tow hitch. Feel the satisfaction that comes from optimizing your driving pleasure. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.